Hello everybody, I am UR on face CS204 and I am going to do a program on linked list, single linked list program. Start with, we have hash include iostream.h header file for including scene and cout. We have standard library function. Then we have compiler to call the compiler using namespace std. Then we have structure, which is node int. We declare data as integer data type, and we had a node which we have pointer star link. Then we have a header file to show with the pointer name star head is equal to null, and we have node star temp. Then we move on to a function void in front, void in front, which shows the front position linked list, in which we are going to assign new nodes, which will be carrying the next pointer to the next variable. So we have node star new node is equal to new node. We have an output statement, enter the data to insert. We input the data, then the node, the link, which is, since it is connected in we have a node, and in the node is divided into two parts. One is having the data, the other is having the pointer, and the new node is giving the link and the null. So always the last one will be null, so we are always inserting it. So we have head is equal to new node, return new node is equal to link is equal to head is equal to new node. Then we give the last void in last, node star new node is equal to new node, enter the data to insert in the end, and we input the end. So here we are giving the in front row, and here we are giving in the last. Then we have if head is equal to null. This is actually a condition for checking if it's full or if it's empty. If head is equal to null, basically we means if head is equal to null, we can enter, or we can just say it's empty. Or while temp to link is not equal to null, temp is equal to temp star to link, and temp to link is equal to new node void pop. This is the pop for till now we were pushing, now we are popping, that is we are deleting. So node star temp is equal to head previous. If head is equal to null, the list is empty, which we already told. Else if the deleted element is which we are going to delete. Else the previous is equal to temp is equal to temp star link, the deleted element is previous link is equal to null, and then we delete the temp, return. And we have inserted as the program, we have inserted into single link, we have deleted from the single link, and the third option is for displaying. And we have node star temp is equal to head. If head is equal to null, cout, the list is empty, so that we will just display list is empty. And if temp is not equal to null, that means something is there, we give out whatever is there, and then we cout null. If void insert position, here we are this another thing for finding the position of our variable. So int value post counter is equal to 0, struct node star s star pointer, these are pointers. Node star pointer temp is equal to new node, enter the data to insert, and we are inserting the data, and we are giving the link as null, enter the position at which the node is to be inserted. We are giving the position, and then we, as you can see, we are it is going to that position and it is inserting using if else statement. And this if else post star one and post is equal to counter, s is equal to head. For I is equal to 1, I less than position, I plus plus, pointer is equal to s. This is actually the algorithm behind everything. And here we are declaring the link, and else if we don't have the position actually inside this linked list, it will just show position out of range. Then we have void search. If we give the variable which we already inserted and ask to search, they will search like int value position is equal to 0, head is equal to null, this is empty, enter the value to be searched. So we give the value which is we have already predefined, then we are again giving the value to search. And if it's check if it's not null, this is the actual condition, we have to check if it is not null, because here it's already checked, it will go here anyway. Here it will say element, it will find the value, then it will say element is found at position, here the position is given, and then we move on to the link. So this is the main function we are giving r is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, and r is equal to less than s. You are giving enter the response 1 for inserting, 2 for deleting, that is push, pop, 3 for displaying, 4 for searching, 5 for inserting, 6 for insert at last, and 7 for exit, and we have to give the input. So we are giving C in R. R is for the switch case, so 1 is, we have to give from 1 to 6, anything in that. So all these cases are, first one is in front, second one is pop, third one is display, fourth one is search, fifth one is insert position, sixth one is insert last, seventh one is exit, and if you don't give anything, they will say enter valid input. So let us check. So let us come back to the program. So first we are going to input the statement, enter the data to insert 23. Then we are again going to insert data. So here we are going to 45. Then we are going to display, and here we have the display. Then we are going to search for 23. As you can see, it is found at position 2. Then we are going to insert at any position. Then we'll just give data to insert 67 at position number 2, and its positions. Now let's display and see. As you can see, it's there. Then we have the last option, insert at last. So we'll, after doing this, we just skip it. Okay, thank you.